When choosing a business school, I didn't just want to attend lectures. I wanted real hands-on experience. Hi, my name is Rabei. I'm a fourth-year Business Administration Co-op student at Brock University's Goodman School of Business. Goodman stood out to me because of their interactive classes, the small classrooms. You really build a connection with the professor and your peers. Additionally, the co-op program really stood out to me. I knew if I attended the co-op program, I would graduate with 12 months of experience, which would really help me post-graduation. During my first co-op as assistant project manager at Hydro One, I gained hands-on experience in leading a project from start to finish. My second and current co-op, I'm a business analyst at Geotab. I work in a solutions team where we discover pain points in our operations department and find solutions to them. Outside of co-op, I had the opportunity to get involved in the Goodman School of Business. I'm the VP of Corporate Relations for the Business Student Association, where I led sponsorship initiatives and conducted a lot of industry outreach. Additionally, I also represented Goodman as a JDCC debate delegate, securing second place in the tournament, representing Goodman. These experiences gave me skills in public speaking and thinking critically. Overall, Goodman gave me the space to explore, the support to grow, and the experience I needed to figure out what to do next.